Dude, we just watched your videos. My goodness, come down. We miss you so much. Seriously, man.
Aww.
Okay, we need you down, brother.
And those trains.
Wait, your favorite
awesome.
gun, your favorite gun got broken, so I'm sorry about that. The orange rifle that's gotten broken.
Uh-oh.
We need to fix it.
What'd you say?
We saw the train videos. We freaking love it.
Exactly.
Yeah, it would be great to have you down here in your trains.
It was 2 days past my birthday and I got a little toy called Optimus Prime.
Mm-hmm.
Guess what? She got a thing where it can stand up and you press a button and it makes sounds like...
What do you want to say to Kevin, Race?
Transforming real loud.
Nice.
Transformers. Why don't you do the Megatron? Okay. Dad, what's Dad?
Who's talking about Kevin now?
Kevin? My shadow is right here. It's right now. It's here. And this one is mine.
Mm-hmm.
Broken right here. I love you, Ronan. Goodbye, Ronan. I need you come over here. Come over here.
It's Kevin.
Goodbye, Kevin.
We love you, buddy.
Love you, buddy.
We love it.
Bye,
Miss
Kevin.
the heck out of you.
Let's keep.
Bye, Kevinator.
Farewell.
Bye, Kevinator. Farewell.